Hello, everyone. Sorry that I'm missing class today, but I'm proctoring the PSATs. All right, so we're starting our final unit of the semester and for the class, budgeting. All right, so we have today's lesson is called Budgeting 101. All right, so pretty straightforward. I know it's been generic, but I tried to keep it very simple over the year and straightforward. So this assignment today, you can work on your own, a partner of your choice, and a grouping, whatever works. So a couple things to be aware of. When you click on this link, it'll bring you to an article. And again, as we've done throughout the year, you don't need to read over the article. Just look over at the six different parts there. Some of them are self-explanatory. Others you may have to skim through the first paragraph. All right. This next one is a video. All right. So we're gonna watch the video, answer the questions, and we have another video to watch here. Short one. Watch, answer the questions. And then finally, we do have an article here. It's it's not as straightforward as the other articles throughout the year, as you can see, but there's a fair amount of bullet points to help get right to the basic gist there. If you have any questions as you're working on it, don't be afraid to ask. You can still shoot an email or ask any of the other teachers in the room. All right. That is all for now. Have a good one, and I will see you all on Wednesday.